Good morning, friends. As we all are going through this global pandemic, I hope you and your family is safe. My name is Amit Khandagade. I am working as product manager with Eris Life Sciences, Ahmedabad. I completed my B.Pharm, M.Pharm in Pharmaceutics from Guru Nanak College of Pharmacy. Today I am here to share my journey from my graduation days to till now. When I was in my final year, I was confused whether to go for post graduation, whether to go for directly job, whether to go for competitive exams. I explored many options also like M.Pharm, MBA, then other opportunities like competitive exams and all that. Then finally I decided that I'll go for M.Pharm, and subject was not any confusion as pharmaceutics was my favorite subject. So I joined M.Pharm in pharmaceutics, and in those 2 years I got lots of opportunities, lots of learnings. As my project was a funded project, I got new machines to work. I got lots of opportunity for trainings in industries. For that I traveled to few industries, and I used various statistical methods in my research work. My guide and our principal sir both has helped a lot. Apart from research work, I got opportunity to manage the events in cultural events of annual gatherings. I got opportunity to manage the trips. I got the opportunity to take the few sessions of B.Pharm final year. These things really help in my professional life, and even these things are helping me today. So I learned many things in my M.Pharm, including my research work as well as this some management skills. So after my post graduation, I was looking for job, as I was having options like production, QA/QC, then formulation, research and development, pharmacovigilance. But I got attracted with a different branch of Indian pharmaceutical industry, that is brand management. After my M.Pharm, at that time I was having a fair idea about what is brand management. So I started looking for opportunities in brand management. So I got opportunity in Naticon Research Labs as my first job. I joined Naticon Research Labs and I started working in pain management, hematinics, nutraceutical therapy areas. That my first company and my first boss helped me a lot in understanding the market dynamics, customer dynamics, a lot. In Naticon, I got various opportunities to launch few areas like Odisha, Karnataka. We have launched these areas and worked with different kinds of doctors, different kinds of customers, and I traveled a lot in my job for conducting review meetings, briefing meetings, all these things. And I have represented company in many events, many conferences, many meetings. After that, I got an opportunity to work with Panorbis Life Sciences. That was totally a different experience. Panorbis was a new company, it was a launching company. So in Panorbis, I got a different kind of exposure to launch the things, to appoint a new team, appoint a new supply chain of management like distributors, CFAs and all that. So overall, it was a good experience. There I got experience about products like GI therapy areas. And after 1.5 years in Panorbis, I got an opportunity in cardio-diabetic segment with Eris Life Sciences, Ahmedabad. So I joined Eris, and in Eris also, company has shown a lot of confidence on me, and I'm managing here a portfolio of 120 crores, where the market is growing by 15%, but my portfolio is growing by around 20-25%. I learned many things here. So guys, this is all about my professional journey till now, and one thing I want to tell you that my post-graduation days, my M.Pharm pharmaceutics helped me a lot in throughout my journey till now. I'll give you a short and quick example that we were dealing with a challenge of big size tablet in one of our formulation, that it was in the market since last 10 years, but the challenge we were facing is that with 1000 mg of dose, the size of tablet is little bit big, and that is creating an issue. So that size of tablet ultimately leading to dysphagia, that is swallowing difficulty, especially in elderly patients. So my M.Pharm pharmaceutics helped me here actually. So with the help, I got associated with my product development team, and we discussed many things and came with the idea of optimum drug to excipient ratio, and ultimately that my M.Pharm pharmaceutics helped me here, and we successfully reduced the size of that tablet, and ultimately the size of tablet has been reduced by 3 mm, and that really helped a lot to the patients. That really helped a lot to especially elderly patients. The patient compliance and patient outcome has been improved with the help of that. So it is just an example. Apart from that, The opportunities I got in my post graduation to manage the events, to take the sessions of BPharm final years helped me a lot in my professional life. Guys, before concluding, I would like to tell you that if you want to go along in your career, post graduation is must. It gives you an advantage over others in this competitive era. So if you want to go long, if you aspire to go for long, go for it. All the best. Take care of yourself and your family.